to the right thing. Yep. Okay. Everything is live. Nice. Let me check, make sure I have all the right categories. Third category. And this category. Okay. All categories are good. Nice. Wait, where's my bitrate at? Oh. That's not good. Are we refreshing this? See? Oh, wait. Wait. We're good. Nice. Okay. Alright. That looks good. And everything looks good. Alright. Let's see here. Try that. Try that. Oh, I'm not muted, am I? No, I'm not. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait. Good. Go ahead. Oh. This will be... Get your music going. Alright, I think everything's good. Alright, so let me see here. And let me see, what do I want to do? Oh, I wanted to play around with these collisions so I can figure out how these actually work. So let's see, and I'm blocking all of chat right now. Okay. Let's see here. Next step is to play. Oh wait, why is this? All right, so now I want to do this. I want to see how the colliders look. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Let me see. So what I need to do is I want to be able to see where the collider is here, but I can't, and I don't think there's anything on here that will help me. Nope. Nope. Oh. No. Oh, I can't control because I've collided with this. How do I set this up? I want to be able to see this collision box. So let's see. Um, Let me see here. So I think what I want to do. No, I'm way too far down. There's gotta be something with visibility, right? Render? I don't think it'd be rendering. Visible in real-time sky visible. I want it visible in maybe here. Maybe here. So maybe let's try this. See if this works. Oh, there it is. I can see it now. Let me check to see if this disappears when I remove collision. Alright, that's what we want to see. That's how we want it to look. So that way I can actually see how these collisions are interacting with things. There we go. Tab. Wait. Come on. Are you serious? You're not going to show me in gameplay? What? That's where I wanted you to... okay. Let me see this here. So what I want to do... Oh, wait, where'd it go? Where'd my... Oh, by doing like that. Okay. So, let me think. Wait, let me check. Is there a stream issue? Alright, everything's fine. Okay. Visible, 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 visible. Hidden in-game. Maybe if I set that to false. Save selected. Oh, wait. And then we wanted... Okay. Let me run that. Oh, put that over here. All right, now I can actually see this collider. All right, now I want to see what this looks like. It's supposed to be an overlap collider, right? Yeah, it's an overlap. And then the first person blueprint. One second. Let's try one more thing so I can see it. Where is it? Where's surrender? Why is this so hard to find? All right, this is the overlap. Surrender. Why is this so hard to find? Where is this? There it is. Hidden in-game off. Visible on. Save. Save selected. All right. Now we get to see everything. Okay. There we go. All right, now I can more stop. Okay, so I see how this works. Now I want to change this so that it's set to overlap, or it's set away from overlap and set to collide. Set that to block all, and then we set the other one to block all. No, where is it? There it is. We'll set this to block all. Okay. So let's see here. Okay. I'm starting to understand. So overlap, and then if I move away from here, we should be able to clearly see. All right. So now I kind of get how overlap works, at least a little bit. Let me think. So this didn't work the way I was expecting it to, though, unfortunately. Is there any way I can detect say selected? Okay. Why is this? Oh, we're still playing. Let's see. What does trigger do? Trigger looks like that. So what I need to do is, oh, thanks for the follow. Just noticed that. Thank you. Let's see here. So, ignore. So let's have this be custom. We'll move it out here so that we can kind of tell what's going on a bit more. And so I want to see, let's see, I want to try with this probe only. It says contact data. We have this here. So I think that would only detect these things, which is like if it's hovering over a mouse, so like for menus and stuff. At least that's what makes sense to me. Let me think here. I think I'll just Google how the probe system works on this because I'm not sure, and I don't think that would be effective. So what's it called again? It's called probe only. So all right. So it's this here probe channel. Ooh. This doesn't mean anything. Let's see, collision overview. Blocking, common collision. physics body. Let's see. All right, so this is what a block would look like, right? Yeah, block. That's overlap and ignore. Wait. Generate overlap events. Sphere collision setup. Ball collision setup. For an overlap, need for this performance in the case of wait, let me read this. If the box doesn't want overlaps, then when it moves, we will not do an overlap query. Wait. Okay. Let's see what this. I don't see that in my list of options, so let's see. So I have, here's my list of events. And I don't see any of those on here. Let me check to see. Let's check. Let's go to, what am I going to? I'm going to my blueprint, the event graph. So the name is receive begin overlap. No, that's not. Let me check. Let me just look for the word overlap. Box overlap actors. Let me see. This isn't called every frame though, is it? I would prefer to have it on a event than on a instruction script. Event graph. I like collisions. Let me see. Disable must need to be set to block each other's. Let's try running this again. See how this works. All right, so I have this collider right in front of me, and we're gonna run through here. Wait a second. That's almost interesting. If only that thing would trigger at that point. Let's see if I can get that to trigger. So what I need this. What does this do? This probably ignores everything. That's probably why. Oh, wait. Oh, it's set to probe only. What happens if I do query only? And we save that? And we run that? It should not work the way I want it to. Or let's see. Yes, that's not good. Hmm. Let me see. So if I can take all right, how's my wall collision set up again? Oh, this will disappear as soon as I click away. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to move this so that I'm not blocking anything. And then, so where's my, here we go. Here's my test box. This is set to block everything. Let's set it to overlap everything. And we have generate overlap events, correct? Nice. Query only, no physics collision. Let's try this and see what happens. Wait a second. Am I stupid? Oh my god. I think, oh my god. Okay. Wow. There we go. Now it's working. Oh, yeah. I spent so long trying to figure that out. And it wasn't that it was colliding into it, it was that it was locking the input. Oh my god. Oh god. I spent an entire day figuring that 2 days trying to figure out a bug that never even existed. It was just my own stupidity. Oh god, I'm so stupid. Wow. Oh god. Oh god, I'm so dumb. I am so dumb. I spent days trying to figure out how that wasn't working. And it was just the most obvious. The reason it wasn't working right was because I literally told it not to. Wow. Okay. It's okay. I understand everything now. Oh, that's the say the most important thing to figure out. Now the next thing to figure out, now that I've figured out how dumb I am, is to let's see. I think I can fix this later. This collider, yeah, this collider's buggy. I'm not gonna work on it. I'm gonna change this around. But what I need to do is to create these wall things. One thing I want to do is I want to figure out how the physics on this thing here works, because it does this neat thing where it just sort of clings to whatever landscape it's on when it spawns in. I want to see how it does that. There must be some sort of setting somewhere. A lot of elements do this. You have static, stationary, movable. Okay, that doesn't matter. Advanced, create blocking volume. That's fine, that's just the collider. Materials doesn't matter. Actor tick wouldn't matter. Component tick would not matter. Advanced, that's more. Okay, this might mean something. Constraints, no, that wouldn't be anything. Advanced probably wouldn't be anything. Auto weld. So what I want to do is I want to have it so that this can be programmatically laid out onto the thing. Or not this, the other one. Let's see. I think this might be, it'll be a weird thing to Google, but I think I should be able to Google it. These are they called meshes? Is this what we call this? Is a matic mesh? Yes. Um, let's see. No. No, tube, no. No, none of that. It's confused. Oh, and I use the word terrain because I'm so used to Unity. No. Hmm. Let me see. Let's have, I guess part of it's that I need a point of comparison. Oh. Okay. So I'm going to compare these two, see where the differences begin. Alright, so that's movable. I don't think that should matter. Category default. Does this have a category? This doesn't even have a category. Let's see. Oh, wait. I'm opening the wrong thing up. That's part of the problem. There we go. Alright. So let's see. Let me compare these. And I can't see chat at the moment. So let's hope there's nothing important going on there. Static, that's fine. Create blocking volume. What does that mean? Okay, that does the same thing. That doesn't matter. Materials doesn't matter. Actor tick won't matter. Component tick won't matter. All right, physics is the first point that I think we might have a noticeable difference. So physics, enable gravity, true. Apply impulse on damage, true. We have 3 true. Oh wait, this has a couple more things. Auto weld. That might be the setting we're looking for. Let's see if this has that. Nope, that also has that. Constraints probably means nothing, right? Yeah, that means nothing. None of that other stuff matters. Okay. Collision probably won't matter. Um, yeah, I don't think anything here really matters. No. Let me check something really quick, just to make sure. Oh, wait. Okay, so it just automatically does that thing. Okay, so that's not a special setting. No wonder no one is asking about that. I was thinking that. Okay, so I should be able to just drag and drop whatever into wherever, and it will just work. Nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make my real grip, and I'm going to make that in Blender. I think. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, sure. We'll make it in Blender. So, let's see. Blender, file, new project. Gonna be relatively simple, I think. General. Okay, here we are. New Blender project. I'm so happy I figured out why my physics was acting weird. Wow. Okay. Let's see. And my Blender keeps the screen. We'll just, there we go. It's minimized. Good, good, good. Let's see. And one more. Okay. So let's see, a cube. Frankly, we might just be able to sculpt a cube. I don't know what I want it to look. So here's what I'm looking for. I want to create like these climbing things. So like when you go to one of those climbing places, um what do you call it? A climbing gym, right? And then they have they have these block things, right? You go to a climbing gym, they have those block things. That's what I want, is to have the block things. And so I don't know what they're called though. Um uh Let me think here. So what I need to do they call them grips? That doesn't sound like the right word. What would be the word for the notch? Notch sounds like a good word to call it. Nope, that's not what they call them. Um, grip? No. Wait, what? That doesn't sound right. I don't know what those things are called. Um, climbing wall. Oh, climbing wall holds. Let's see what they call them. Is that just what they're called? So all these shapes. Yeah, so we want something like this here. I like these, but something a bit realistic looking. And then, I mean, obviously, this is gonna be made to look more natural because it's like a rock climbing wall, right? But it's in game, so we can make them more realistic. Is this really the name? Holds? It seems weird. Let's see it if I go to all and see if they call them climbing holds. Okay. So the question is, did someone already make a 3D model of this? 3D, please God, tell me. Tell me that someone has a completely free, fair use, whatever use model. And then I've never 3D printed anything. Is it just like an FBX file? These are kind of, some of these are, ooh. Download for sale. I will click on this. I want to see what they say by the file type. How do these file types work? What do it? What do you mean this? What? Oh, I guess it got delisted. Yeah, I've never downloaded 3D things like this. Let's see what this looks like. That's a terrible. This dude. Is this person actually? Oh, how does this look like on a 3D view? STL file. I'm not familiar with it. I mean, okay. I think I'm just going to do this myself. I know how to do this myself. I can sculpt these. That being said, do I want to go with a cube or a sphere? Yeah, let's play around with the... Oh, wait, actually we do want a sphere because cubes only have 4 points that I can warp with, and I want to warp it around. So we're gonna delete this, and we're gonna go with the sphere because we need points. We need lots and lots of points. Layouts, render, add. Come on, circle, 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 circle. What's a metaball? Metaball. Mesh metaball. What does that even mean? And if I go to edit mode, whoa. Whoa. As you can tell, I don't know that much about Blender. I know the basics. I've never even used this metaball before. That might be what we want to use. Metaball sounds like something that they... Why doesn't this delete? There we go. I'm used to using just the regular mesh sphere. Right? And then you have all these points, but the metaball is like round. Let's see, volume, no, metaball. Metaball. And then there's got to be like setting, this is a really weirdly shaped thing. Like you can tell it's very not ball-like. Let's see if they have some way, add metaball. Radius 2 meters, align world, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. But why can't I set the vertices to this? Do I have to go into sculpt to set the vertices? Probably. All right, let's, wait, what? Wait, what? Why can't I, wait, wait. Yeah, I've never used a metaball before, and so I am very confused why. Well, this is pretty terrible. Okay, maybe we'll just stick with a mesh. Metaball seems a bit over my skill grade. There we go. Now we have a nice ball. We have these things here we can play around with. And actually, I want to probably Do I want to double the points? This is fine because it's a rock. Rocks are hard. They've got sharp sides. Just keep playing around with this here. I don't know exactly what shape we're going for, but we're just gonna keep doing random stuff to this thing until I get something that resembles a shape that I like. Ooh, this is a scoop, right? Yeah, we want a nice big scoop at the top, right? Ooh, that bugged it out. Ooh, bugged it out again. You don't want to see that. Wait, how bugged out is this? This is highly bugged out. That does not look good. Oh wait, that looks better. That looks worse. Oh god, we're destroying everything. Bulb. Oh god, that thing is that thing clipping? Who cares? Who cares at the end of the day? Crease. Do you want to see a nice crease? Yeah, I'm just trying everything. Flatten. What does that do? Yeah, we should have had more points, I think. We can do that in the next one. Dun 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 dun. Fill? Right. That sounds... Oh wait, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. This isn't working the way I expect it to. That's kind of doing something. These look all complicated. Let's keep up with the blue ones. Blue ones seem to be the best. It looks like a good rock grip thing, except for the fact that it's very clearly a sphere. Let's see. Obviously, half of this is going to be hidden behind the thing, so this would just be like that. And I kind of want to flatten this out here, this bottom. Here, there's a flatten, right? That's the flatten. I guess you can't get much. Why this? Wait, hold up. This is pretty zen. All right. I think this is going very well. This looks absolutely great. And we're not going to deal with the rendering stuff in... That looks like a cliff rock majigger, doesn't it? That looks great. It looks amazing. It's beautiful. And I think this is going to be... I think that's glitched. I think that's going to cause lighting issues. But let's play around. Let's see how it ends up looking. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Oh. Let's see. Oh, no wonder that's still there because I'm looking at a different screen. We don't want games. We want to be in... Where is... That will be good enough. New Blender. We'll create a new folder. The folder's name. What's the folder's name is going to be? It's going to be Rocks. Rock Grips. That sounds like a great name. And we're going to call this Rock Grip 1. Save that. Nice. And we want to maximize this. And I want to check Let's see if I did. Maybe I just so happened to have some. One second. Let's put this over here. What are you doing? That's not what I wanted. You're supposed to be the small one. What are you doing? Why won't this get any smaller? There we go. Now you need to get small. What if I go? Why does OBS need to be so large? Oh, okay, well that made it way too small. There we go. Alright, that seems to be working just fine. Let's see. Is it really worth looking to see if I already have? Let's check to see. I have a lot of assets. Maybe something here is useful. Nah, this is too much work. We're just gonna go with my garbage models. So it was in custom, right? Custom rock grip. Oh, I forgot to export it. Boom. File. Export to FBX. That looks good. This looks like a good location, right? Yeah. There we go. Exported. Import. Import all. Looks like the Death Star or something. This is gonna be oversized. Alright, so first up, we need to rotate this 90 degrees. Alright, and then we're going to maybe minimize this, I don't know. And I don't like using that scale. Can I just half the size? It's still huge. It's going to be 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter because I made it humongous. Oh, wait. I don't need a collider on this. Wait, do I need a collider on it? We will not delete the collider immediately. So we'll keep this as is for right now. And I need to create a new element. World grid material. We're going to create something new. How did I find a new material? Alright, we'll just create a new material. It's a lot easier to work with materials in here when you're dealing with uniform materials. Wait a second, I don't need to do that because what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that. We're going to use, I think this is sandstone, right? I don't remember what I ended up using. Rock sandstone. Nope, that's not good. It's such a weird mapping right there. Maybe it's, was it? It wasn't limestone, was it? Stone. What if I just search stone? Then nothing happens. There we go. So much lag. So much lag. Stop. It's lagging. There we go. Okay. What I need to do is I need to set this to landscape. Oh, that's not the material I wanted. That's the material I wanted. Ooh. Ooh. No, but what we're looking for here. Is it gravel? Yeah, it was gravel. Gravel doesn't sound right though. Ah, let's see. Hmm. 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 I can't find what texture I used for the rock wall. Oh wait, here it is. Ground gravel. That's what we're looking for. I'll just look for gravel actually. This is it. Really, that's the material? I wouldn't have even been able to recognize it. No, it's fine. Why do we have two of these? Who cares? Not important. What is important? Now have a. Let's see how this looks in game. I bet it looks super goofy in game. Oh, there it is. Actually, it doesn't look as big as I thought. Okay. That does not look as bad as I thought it would look. However. Hmm. So we're gonna use this as our. We need to add. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Let me see. What do I need to do? So we have this. We want to turn this into a blueprint. We already have a practice blueprint we built, right? All right, we called it climb group. All right, we'll call it grip blueprint. That sounds like a good name. Let's see. Oh, nope. Let's just keep unselecting. Nice. All right, so we have our act. Okay. What is going on? This thing crash? What is going on with this? This is so bugged out. Genius. No. Uh-oh. Oop, that was... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is very much crashing. Let me see. Resize. So here's my bug I'm dealing. Oh wait, no bug right now. Did we fix it? Did we fix our bug? Woo! Bug fixed itself. That's good. That's good. So open full blueprint. Yes. And so we have our blueprint here. We have a scale of 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. I am happy with 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Actually. And I would like to be able to rotate this, but it doesn't look like I can. Okay. Let's see here. Am I still tracking? Yes, I am. Nice. I'll be honest, I probably didn't really need that. Because what I really wanted was this here. What is going on? There we go. There should be a generate collider, right? Yeah, we won't deal with that right now. I want to add. Let me think. Hmm. Okay. Box collision, capsule collision, sphere collision. Yeah, go with that. No, wait. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Why can't I see it? And I want to be able to see this while I'm debugging this. We're going to uncheck hidden game. And then this collider will be a trigger. All right. That seems good. Okay. I don't need that. What I need is for this. Oh, that. There. Mm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me think. What's the next step? So we have this, we have that. Okay. This is a regular collider, that's fine. I kind of want to set this to trigger. Where's trigger? Yep, I hit the wrong one. This is the trigger. Nice. Nah. Okay. Yep. So the next step would be mhm. Mm. Hmm. See why that doesn't work. Oh wait, it probably doesn't have overlap events. Does this generate overlap events? That would be the problem. All right, that fixed that. All right. Hmm. Nice. Wait a second. I want to choose something. Check something out. I think, does the arm rotate when I rotate? Nice. You can. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So the next step I want to do, add an extra layer of logic to this blueprint here. So the next thing I want to do, I want to set this so that instead of setting climb mode, Here we go. I'm gonna set that. I'm gonna set that and that. All right. Let's see what's next. So next I want to have a hidden message. No. Add, and we want to add a text field of some sort. Audio box. Where's text? Text. Render. Hmm. All right, I can see what the character sees. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. There's gotta be a way that I can see how this looks like in on screen, right? Hmm. Oh, no, that's camera speed. Scaling. How do I see this from the gameplay camera? Hmm. Let's see. All right. I don't want to do it in level though. I want to do it in here. None of the simulation. Hmm. All right. Yeah, sure. All right. And then we go to our event graph. Should be somewhere. Oh, it's the wrong event graph. Hmm. Okay. So let's see here. What's next? Input? That is all right. No. Hmm. I want a string table. What would be the best way of managing text input? Hmm. Let me think. Maybe that's that string table. I want to look it up. What was it called again? Is in miscellaneous string table, right? Yeah, that's what we want, is a string table. So let's see, where is it? Miscellaneous string table. What should we call this? We should call this Ian prompts. Why doesn't that work? Thank you for the 30 seconds of lag. Key source string. Import CSV. Okay. Key. All right. Let's see. All right. Good. And then we're gonna take this. There. 1 second. I don't know what that was yet. Sorry about that. I did not hear the noise again, so that's great. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, is my audio working correctly? Yes, it is. Nice. Let's see here. So let me see. What do I need to do here? All right. I completely forgot where I was. Oh, right. We are creating text messages or prompt messages. So we need to take this prompt. We need to add it in here somehow. Let's see. How are we gonna do that? There's gotta be a way, right? String table. Is that thing? Get keys. Given it returns the source string of the given string table entry. That looks about right. Table ID. We're gonna want to use let's see. We want to use en prompts. That's not a table. Why is that not a table? Mhm. I feel like this would be marked as a variable, but let's see. No. Okay. Table ID. Wait, is this a string? That's the name. Okay. Prompts. And the key name is gonna be I don't even remember. Begin climb. Climb. Okay. And then let's see. What's the next step? Hmm. Let me think. What's the next step to this? The next step is to set that text message to, or that text render. Can I just we want to set the text renderer. Set text. What we want. Target. Return value. And then we're gonna do oh, I'm in the completely wrong spot. Okay. Ah, I lost it. Oh wow, I really lost. Where am I? I think it was somewhere up here. Oh god. Where did it go? I think what I need to do is I need to control X that. And then we're gonna go here. There we go. And then we found it. Nice. Now I didn't want to go that far down. I just want to go to here. And we will. Why are you opening Visual Studio? I never asked you to do that. Well, that's 5 minutes for not getting back. Oh, okay. We're good. Mm. Let me think. What would I want to do here? I need to. I need to think of what I'm doing right now. That's what I really need to do. We have the text set. That's pretty much all we really need. Oh, I do like to get this message in. All right. File cleared. All right, so you should just get a message pop up. That being said, there's some issues with this. Because what can happen is what well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, no. Hmm. So this isn't working the way I want it to. Let's see. Hmm. Let's re-add the text then. And then see how it works after I add the text back into this. So I have the text right there. And I'm hitting the wrong button. Okay. I think the problem is my key isn't right. Maybe this. Huh. Why doesn't this work? There you go. Let's add that in. That'll be interesting for me. I think I will see absolutely nothing though. Come on, build, build. Nice. I got no error message because, or no, I got no prompt. Why did I get no prompt? I don't know. But let's see. There's gotta be something wrong with get string entry, get string table entry source. Hmm. How do you get a table ID? Hmm. Let me look it up. I'm clearly doing something wrong. There you go. What? Let me see this here. Let's look into this. Okay. I have to go in here. Let's see. Text material font. Advanced. Yeah. Hmm. That doesn't seem right, but we can try this. F text. That's not a thing. Let me look this up again. I doubt I can concatenate this, right? No. as a string table. For each, I'm going to keep doing this. Here we go. Now I hate that I have to test it this way, but I don't know how else to test it. Figure out what I'm looking at here. How is this possible? I have the table right here. I can see it. It's in front of my face. Do I have to like add string table? That doesn't even make sense. Okay. I don't understand what it's asking me to do right now. Let me think. Okay, let me see. What will I have to do here? Just figure out why this is so dumb. And not working the way it's supposed to. Because this is the way it should work. Why can't I get a table ID? Why is this invisible to everything? Namespace is EN prompts. Oh, wait. How do you get a table ID then? Is that different than a... What's a table ID if it's not the namespace? String table. I need your help. Get string table namespace. What's the difference between a namespace and a table ID? How do I get this table ID from? What is a table ID? They provide no information on this. Why? Maybe if I... God. Where's my Google? Oh, wait, there it is. String table ID. String table ID. Yes. Inputs. My man, this means nothing to me. This isn't documentation. This... Oh my god. This means nothing to no one. What the fuck is a string table ID and how does it relate? Like, God damn you. Why do you have such obtuse documentation? No one answered this. Why? Why do you have to be so backwards? Just just be consistent and concise. And when you're not being consistent and concise, that's fine if you have actual documentation as to why you're being so weird. Don't just be weird for the sake of being weird and provide no explanation to what gibberish your code means. This means nothing to no one. Get string table entry source string. Yes, I am having difficulty with this. Are you going to provide actual help on this? The table ID is the fully qualified name of the table. You guys are so backwards with your garbage. Why didn't I get this? What is this? Huh? So, copy reference. No. I think that's what we want. Let me see. Well, this looks stupid enough that it might actually be correct. Oops. Let's see if this works. And what am I supposed to be looking at? Here. All right, where are we looking? We're gonna head over to you. God, I hate you, Unreal. You can't document shit. None of your documentation ever amounts to anything. God damn you. I do everything the way you say, and then it doesn't work. What does that even mean? I swear I'm not stupid. I swear they are stupid. I swear they don't know how their own code works. It's the only logical explanation, is that not even they know how this works. Because this is exactly what I did. I got the table reference. Is it this? This is so backwards. Why would they do it like this? That doesn't make... That's probably how it is, because I think that's the stupidest way to do it, so it must be the way they did it. That's how these things work. Nope, that did not work. Why didn't that work? Oh, I need a slash there. Of course, because it just wouldn't work without that slash, would it? I hate you. I hate this stupid engine so much. I did it exactly how the instructions said, and it doesn't work. Actually, I didn't do it exactly how the instructions said, because the instructions wouldn't tell you. This is how the community says to do it. Because there's no documentation on how to do it, they just expect the community to fumble around until... Holy shit. Did that thing just add a random apostrophe to the end of this? I think we have it now. Maybe. Who knows? I am... This thing's blocking away, of course. Yeah. Hey! Nice. So let's see here. What do I want to do? I want to take this. Oh, no, I want it to go here. I want to play around with the text render a bit more. Ah, sorry. Let's see here. Here we go. That should not look like this. Oh. There we go. I'm gonna look up a better way to do this. There's gonna be a better way to do this. It sounds like a fun adventure for tomorrow, though. Maybe. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Good time for... I think so. I'll do this tomorrow. Alright. We are going to wrap up the stream then. So that's it. And we will figure out how to use proper text editing, because today was my goal, was to figure out how the collisions work, and I figured that out. It was so simple, I didn't actually need to fix anything except for my own brain. But anyways,